couple of weeks ago, I checked my new navigation software and I saw that all the bridges towards the historical city Breda in the Netherlands either could open up or were high enough for me to pass. So I then decided to go visit Breda because it is called the Pearl of the South of the Netherlands. Well, this is the last leg towards Breda, and at the end of the film we will see if this is really the pearl people talk about. How about that? Wanna join? Come on then, let's go. Another bridge, again 7 meters. So I will check out and drive very slowly to see if it is for sure 7 meters or is it more. Slowly. Oh yeah, okay. We talk about 15 centimeters more, you see? It really feels like summer. Also, this bridge is mapped with a height of 7 meters. I will slow down and it seems... No. Let's have a look slowly, but I think I fail over here. Yeah, go back. Boing. Okay, so again, it's a couple of centimeters, but it can break the VHF antenna. She is so heavy. Yeah, this mast is a beautiful setting on this boat. And man, it's difficult to handle. Anyhow. So yeah, I leave the mast down just to be sure for a possibly next bridge. According to the map, there should be a road bridge, but from what I see, there is not yet or not anymore a road bridge, but we have a train bridge in I guess 300-400 meters. We have one red. I also know from what I saw in the map whilst preparing that it is only 2 meters and 50, and from the sign I see that I am not allowed to go on the starboard side, but I have to follow. Oh yeah, there the sign says I have to follow the port gate, but there is no VHF channel. Bridge is operated on distance. Yeah, that would I have guessed. The height of the power cables is 750. Well, I'm glad that I have the mast down. Let's have a look. Oh, digits are close together. Yeah, who can read that then? When you create such a sign on a desk, then you say, well, the digits are large enough. But now, when I am so far away, I can hardly read them. Okay, stop complaining, start calling. I will. 084 083 083 9 456. Yes. Oh, fantastisch. Geen enkel probleem. Dankjewel. Dag. Ja, dank je. Okay, you have to wait because trains are coming. Of course, of course. And then within 10 minutes we will open the bridge. Well, that's nice. So you could read the digits. Yes, I could. Oh, and the sign, the do not pass this side sign is longer than 56 meters. Lady Lieselot is a little bit shorter. So I am allowed, hardly to read. Imagine that your boat is 56 meters. And then you are close to the bridge, and then you have to read a sign this big. And now I also understand why if your boat is longer than 56 meters, you have to take the other gate, and that is because there's a bend behind the bridge. Yeah, you are not able to get your boat in that bend properly. So slowly, be careful with the pile over here, but and then she turns, yeah, away from me. Nice. Okay, I will follow. Be aware, very, very dangerous because of high voltage cables, the sign says. Yes, I'm aware of that. Perhaps you can look at my hair and see what happens the moment that I am under it. Oh, sorry that I cannot film this, but I have to pay attention to... This is nice. Oh, have a look. Let's go back to 1500 RPM. Like this. And then we continue our smooth ride. Man, can you imagine that you have your house, your farmhouse over here, and then the electricity company comes and tells you, well, we have decided to put 3 enormous windmills next to your house. And perhaps this farmer has sold the land for these windmills, I have no idea. But wow. Imagine. Also, this bridge is mapped as 7 meters. But I would think that it is a little lower. From my experience, of course. But hey, this time it went smooth. Thunder. Thunder? Yes, that is what I hear over there. Let's have a look. No rain yet. The wind still is astern. We will get some rain within now and half an hour. And since it is not necessary for me to stay on the flybridge, I would suggest that we go downstairs. Do you agree? So, tick tick. Here we go again. To be honest, sorry Breda, really sorry, but at the moment the entrance of Breda feels a little bit as the looks of this sign. It says welcome, but yeah. Okay, over here the sign says Passantenhaven, so visitors harbor, and there are mooring facilities. I will start my second engine so that maneuvering is way easier. And just around the corner there is this train bridge fixed, and I cannot go under it because it is 4 meters. Let's be honest, it feels a little bit crappy. And perhaps that is not polite, but this is how it feels. Nee, dankjewel, dankjewel. Do you have plans to moor? No, thanks. Yeah, this is not a place, a nice place. This is not a welcoming place, it seems. But perhaps I am spoiled, that is possible. Yeah. So, I thought Breda is a nice spot, but I must be honest that it is below any expectation. Yeah. It's not that difficult. If you look at the city Amersfoort, for instance. I'm stuck, it seems. 140. Yeah. Jeez. I think, why is the boat not moving? Yeah. What do you think? It is 140 over here. Yeah. This is silly. This is silly. Oh man. You do not watch this video to see me complain about my destination. Because as you also hoped that it would be a beautiful spot and we both would end this video in oh. Well, unfortunately, we do end this video in oh, like oh, what a disappointment. So, okay. Zing. I will head for the commercial harbor and then have a look if I can moor over there. These boys in this speedboat. When I came this way, I said, "Are you having trouble?" No, just sheltering for the rain. And now while I am returning, they are smoking pot. It is allowed in the Netherlands, by the way. You can buy it in the shop. And then we call it a... Sorry, we call it a coffee shop. So, where's my cup of coffee? Coffee time! Well, that phrase all of a sudden gets a complete other meaning. Don't you agree? Yeah. So, when I walked to the door, I could smell it. Yeah. Yeah, man. Peace. Oof. From what I see is that we have this spot. There is a barge. Over here is a barge. Over there I see boats, but also a do not enter sign. There is a quay. I have no idea if there are... yeah, there is a bollard. And over here is also a bollard. You know what we will do? We will drop the boat over here. What does the sign says? Be aware of the little possibilities to enter. Alright. Yeah, there is no sign telling me that sport is not allowed to moor over here. It only says be aware of the little possibilities to moor. Yeah, that I have seen. By now. Breda. So, moored in Breda. Yoo-hoo! Is it worth the trip? Well, that is up to you to decide. For now, thank you very much for watching. I hope you liked this video. And for now, thank you very much, and I hope to see you in the next video. Alright? Bye bye now.